Welcome guys. Let's do Polkadot technical analysis and price prediction of this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please favor me and watch this video until end because in this video I will show you my immediate short-term targets, long-term targets and the target of this bull run. So please watch this video until end. Current rank of Polkadot is 8 and price of the Polkadot is $33.50. Price decreases 6.1% in 24 hours. Market cap of Polkadot is $34 billion, which is very good and huge. 24-hour trading volume of Polkadot is $1.9 billion, which is very huge. Circulating supply of Polkadot is 1 billion and total supply of Polkadot is 1.1 billion. And I will show you the website. First of all, I have to show you the statistics. This is the Polkadot chart and here you can see on Tuesday 18 August 2020 price of the Polkadot was just $2.94 and after that price goes to this level and it is at $49.35. Here you can see all-time high of Polkadot was on May 15 2021, 4 months ago, and the price was $49.35 and all-time low of the Polkadot was on August 20 2020 and the price was just $2.70. Here you can see how much it gives to its users. In 30 days it gives 42% profit to its users, holders, and in 1 year it gives 560% profit to its holders. And it is available on Binance, Bitfinex and some other important exchanges. And if you want to favor me and if you want to open a Binance account or Phemex account, then go to in this video's description where you can get a pin message and these links. Binance exchange link, click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus absolutely free and 20% special trading fees discount on every trade if you make your account with my links. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you some other statistics and the charts. This is Polkadot website and here you can see Polkadot development is on track to deliver the most robust platform for security, scalability and innovation. Here you can see, you can visit this website by your own because I just want to show you, and after that I will show you the charts. Please visit this website by your own and please do this. Let me please show you the charts and my targets. First of all, I have to show you the Polkadot 4-hourly chart. In 4-hourly, Polkadot was in this rising broadening wedge, but unfortunately at that point here you can see Polkadot price break this. Maybe price goes up to retest this zone and after that price can go down towards downside, and if it happens in that case, let me please remove this. In that case our support zone will be this area. This is our major support zone. If it broke this, in that case next support zone is this area. Here you can see this is the next area and it is at $31.5 or you can say $31 price area. Is very important for Polkadot price, and after that the other support is at this level and it is at the beginning of this ascending broadening wedge. Technically the target of the ascending broadening wedge is the beginning of this ascending broadening wedge. Maybe price go down to hit this, but we are in this bull run and that is why maybe price of the Polkadot can break this horizontal break this trend line towards upside, and after that price will move towards upside, and after that price can go like this maybe, but we have to wait for this. We have to wait for the confirmation. If it fails to break this, in that case the support zone is at $31 to $32 price area. Second support zone is at $27-28 price area. And let me please show you 4-hourly EMA ribbon, which is very important. And here you can see unfortunately Polkadot break this EMA ribbon towards the downside and close 4-hourly candle below this we have to watch this area, very important, $35 price area, $35.5, maybe $36 price area. Once Polkadot break this area and close 4 hourly candle above this, then we are again in bull run, and then definitely price will go up. And if Polkadot price fails to break this, in that case this is the spot zone, and $31 to $32 area. After that $27, $28 price area. These are the areas. Last time here you can see Polkadot candles break this EMA ribbon towards downside, and after that we see a massive dump in Polkadot price, and it was dump of approximately let me please show you 36%, and we have to watch it very carefully. And let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and after that I have to show you the CPR lines. Here you can see these are these yellow CPR lines are support zone for the Polkadot, and this orange or brown CPR line is the main target, first target. You can say first target, you can say second target is at $42, and third target for the Polkadot is $52. This is monthly CPR. Polkadot hit first monthly target $36 price area, and after that price next price level is $42, and next third price level and target is $52. If unfortunately Polkadot break this yellow dots and this CPR levels, main CPR levels towards downside, in that case $21 is the major support for the Polkadot. But I think these three CPR lines are very heavy support for the Polkadot right now. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you my next chart. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends, and please share this video with crypto community, and please support me. Please like this video. I am making this video just for you. This is Polkadot weekly chart, and here you can see after making a top at $50, Polkadot price is at $33. And here you can see this is in this Polkadot price is in this massive move, and it is like parabolic. And if I calculate this from bottom to top with the retracement tool, in that case here you can see Polkadot price is defending this 0.23 fib retracement level, and it is at $32, and after that 0.38 is at $28 price area. If Polkadot price break $32 price area, then in that case $28 is the next area, 0.38 fib retracement area, and it is at $28 price area. Same area I mentioned here, you can see $28 price area. And after that the golden pocket is at $21 price area, but I don't think Polkadot price can go down to hit these levels. I think 0.5 level is very important. We have to look this level, and $28 to $25 price area is very important in weekly chart. And let me please remove this, and if I calculate this from bottom to top, then I have to show you the targets, retracement targets. Here you can see Polkadot price is defending this 0.38 fib level, and price and it is at $31 price area, and price can go down to hit this zone 0.5, and in that zone price will be $25 to $26 price area, and after that golden pocket, and it is at $20 price area, and that will be the worst case. But I think maybe Polkadot price can go down to hit this zone 0.5 fib retracement tool and $25, and after that price move up. But if Polkadot price break this 0.23 fib retracement level, and it is at $38.7, in that case definitely Polkadot price will create new all-time high, I think so. These are the levels. Please note down these levels. I have to remove this, and let me please show you EMA ribbon, which is very important. In weekly EMA ribbon we are still bullish, and here you can see candles are far away from this ribbon, and that is very good. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you the monthly CPR. In weekly CPR, here you can see this is these yellow lines are support area for the Polkadot, and it is at 28. Here you can see Polkadot price hit first target $36, and after that the next target is this area, these two green dots, and it is at $41, and after that this monthly CPR third level is 51, and so on. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you the daily chart. This is Polkadot daily chart, and here you can see this is a very important pattern. Here you can see Polkadot price was in this ascending wedge, but unfortunately we see a dump, and maybe price Polkadot break this and close daily candle below this. If this happens, in that case our next support zone is this area, same area, $27 to $28 price area, and after that this area is also very important, $26 price area, and this area is also very important. These two levels are very important, and if Polkadot price move towards upside, and in that case maybe we may see these kind of action, but this is a bearish pattern. Maybe price of Polkadot break this, and we can see a pullback of Polkadot price to $28 price level, and after hitting this level I think Polkadot price have to make new all-time high, and I think so that is very important and crucial level. I have to show you these levels, $26 price area and $28 price area are very important, and if Polkadot price move towards upside, in that case the ascending triangle target is $42.55, the target is $42.57, and let me please show you the fib retracement tool, and according to the fib retracement tool, what are the next target? Let me please show you. Let me please remove this because I want to see you this chart clearly. Here you can see it is trying to defend this 0.23, and it is at 32. Once it break this, price can go down to 28.38 levels, and after that 0.5 I told you 0.5 fib retracement level is very important, and it is the key level to hold for Polkadot, and it is at $25 price area. Polkadot have to hold this, and let me please remove this, and let me please arrange this chart again. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. Let me please show you the fib retracement targets. If I calculate this from bottom to top, in that case here you can see, let me please zoom this, and here you can see Polkadot is trying to hold this 0.23 level, and it is at $31 price area. Once it broke this, then 0.5, and it is at $25 price area, which is very important. I think this is the key level to hold for Polkadot, and after that 0.61 golden pocket, maybe price can hit this, but I don't think so. Most of the chances are that maybe Polkadot price retest this zone 0.5 fib retracement level, and it is at $25 to $26 price area. Maybe Polkadot price retest this zone, and let me please show you the target of this bull run, and I think that will be very realistic. Let me please show you the target. For this I have to took this fib retracement trend tool, and after that I have to calculate these areas, and let me please do this. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart, guys, and let me please do this, and please watch this video until end, guys, and let me please do this because I want to see you this chart very clearly. That is why I am doing these things, and here you can see Currently we are in this zone, and it is at 0.5 0.38 to 0.5 levels, and our target will be this area. I think Polkadot price can easily hit 2.6 to 3.6 Fibonacci level, and it is in between $150 to $140 to $180. But I think Polkadot price can easily hit this level 4.2, and price can easily hit $210. This is my price prediction, and I think Polkadot price can hit this target, and this will be the target for this bull run, and it is this target, and I think this is very realistic target, and $200 is the is my target for the Polkadot in this bull run, and that I think so is realistic target, because this token is very important and very huge project and huge coin, having huge potentials. Most of the time people trust this and this project very much, and most of the time this token hold very tightly, and that is why I think so the price of the Polkadot can hit this zone $200, and this is my target, final target. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and if you want to support this channel, then please go to in this video's comment section or description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your accounts with my affiliate links. Once you register with my links, you can get these bonuses, which are withdrawable and tradable too, and you can get also 20% special trading fees discount on every trade. Thanks for the watching, and my last words are that we have to watch these levels these levels are very important. $30, $28 and $25 price area are very important for Polkadot. Thanks for the watching.